Imagine you're lying in bed, and something wakes you. Not a scream, not a bang, but a sound. Low, vibrating, and endless. A deep, pulsing hum. You ask around. No one else hears it, but you do. Every night. No one believes it. It won't stop, and it's driving you mad. But the truth is, it is a global mystery. A sound heard across the world, not just by everyone. It's been heard in the quiet towns of England, the deserts of New Mexico, the forests of British Columbia, a strange low-frequency noise with no clear source. Only about 2% of the population can hear it. Scientists call it the hum, but no one knows what causes it. A witness from Sydney says it rattled her chest for months. It was like a diesel engine idling in the distance, she said, but outside, total silence. Her family couldn't hear it. Her neighbors didn't believe her. In the early 1990s, dozens of residents in Taos, New Mexico, reported hearing a persistent hum. They described it as tormenting. Sleep was impossible. The U.S. government even sent in researchers, but they found nothing. Some hums were eventually traced to distant machinery, industrial fans, pipelines, even air vents, but many cases remain unexplained. No vibrations, no acoustic source, yet people still hear it. Theories range from the natural, like seismic activity, infrasound, or oceanic resonance, to the biological, such as tinnitus, or the brain amplifying internal signals. Others believe it's electromagnetic pollution, or even secret military tech. Those who hear the hum report insomnia, headaches, nausea, even depression. It's driven some to therapy, and others to move far away just to escape it. From New Zealand to Canada, Sweden to the United States, this global mystery has no single cause, no consistent pattern. Yet people from vastly different regions all hear the same sound. Is it a symptom of a louder world or something more sinister? Is the hum a scientific anomaly or a warning sign we don't yet understand? One thing's certain: if you hear it, you can't unhear it. Have you heard the hum? Tell us your story in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more global mysteries.